When you go back to last week and you look at Thursday, and we see one, no, not just one, we see two volatility hits that were massive trades, that 50-cent character, unbelievable trades that came in there. And John, we've been talking about that VIX for a while, and we've been moving up and up and up. And here we are, we're finding ourselves at a comfortable level now at 20. And like you and I have said, this isn't panic running around. This is where the markets are going, in this back and forth, and Friday being a perfect example of that. That's why 20 is probably the right area to be. Maybe it's 21, maybe it's 22, but we have that guy, 50 Cent, out there buying massive upside calls. So, and a lot of them, John, are actually fairly close to the money at this point in time. They're 21 strike calls, 22 strike calls, doing spreads and all the rest, but it is something that we are seeing more and more of, probably more in the last month than I remember seeing in a very long time, just these volatility hits, and they've been right.
And a lot of them were in the real short term, Pete, like March.
Yeah.
And what I'll say is tomorrow might not be the top in volatility, but we are likely to see more volatility tomorrow. Now, volatility swings both ways. And Pete has said many times, you got to be quick to take your profits when it pops to the upside. Couldn't agree more. We'll see exactly how that plays out, Pete, but definitely tomorrow, the 4th, is when the president has said he's hitting them with tariffs. I would take him at his word. So it's just a question of how big they are and the response from Canada, Mexico, and to a certain extent, China, because he's jacking up another 10% on China too.